May I know your full name?
My full name is Sneh Kumar Rajesh Bhai Chavan.
How may I address you?
You can address me by my first name Sneh.
Where do you come from?
I come from the southeastern part of Gujarat, a town called Navsari.
Let's talk about pop stars.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite pop star?
Well, my favorite pop star used to be the king of pop, Michael Jackson.
Okay. Do you want to be a pop star?
Well, no, because I haven't got that traits of a pop star and I'm not good at singing.
Okay. Do you like to go to concerts?
Well, I haven't been to a concert, but in the near future, I would like to.
Okay. Do you prefer live music or recorded music?
Well, it depends on on my mood, but usually I prefer the recorded music than the live performance.
Okay. Let's talk about films now.
Yeah.
Do you like to watch films?
Yeah, but not on a frequent basis. I usually watch them on very occasionally.
Okay. Do you prefer foreign films or Indian films?
Well, the content matters the most. Whether it's a Hollywood or Bollywood, content for me is the topmost quality.
Okay. How often do you go to cinema to watch a movie?
Well, I'm not a quite cinema lover, but I occasionally go once in a 6 month, once in a blue moon. Sorry.
What kinds of movies do you like the best?
Well, I like to prefer thriller and horror movies, and apart from it, I even like to watch some rom-coms as well as comedy and action movies.
What was the first film you watched?
Well, it was quite a scary one. It was about a ghost, and the title of the movie was about Conjuring.
Okay. Now it's time for your cue card.
Yes.
Your cue card is: describe a time when you encourage someone to do something that he or she didn't want to do. You should say who he or she is, what you encouraged him or her to do, how he or she reacted, and explain how you encouraged him or her. You will have 1 minute of preparation time, and after that you will have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
If I stop you in between, do not worry. Your time starts now. Ready, Sneh?
Yes, sir.
Please start speaking.
In my lifetime, I have always tried to encourage as well as self-motivate people who are very much close to me. But since a couple of months ago, one of my closest friend, Shivam Madhwani, was in a terrible situation where he lacked self-confidence in him. So I tried to encourage him by giving him some motivational speeches as well as boost his self-enthusiasm in a very optimistic manner, that at the first he started to react very aggressively and aggressively. Secondly, he was very much self-doubted on himself, whether he was ready for the tournament or whether he lacked the skills. But overally, he was fully developed and his potential levels were up to the sky. Let's just say he was skyrocketed at that time. And thirdly, he had all the basic facilities and all the good techniques and traits that a fighter should possess. And it was about a martial art competitions into the final. So at that time, he was completely down in the dumps. So looking at that situation, I remembered one of my practical experiences in life which I had experienced, and no one was there to help me. So looking towards it, I tried to help him, and after that self-motivation given to him, his personality completely got changed. Even though he fighted like a tiger in that competition, and secondly he won with a gold medal. Let's just say he passed with the flying colors. So it just got me over the moon, and felt that I'm a type of person who can actually motivate others, and can try to break the stone with the help of an axe. So,
Okay, Sneh.
yes.
How could leaders encourage their employees?
Well, leaders always try to encourage their employees in a plenitude of manner. Let's just say having a giving them self motivation speeches, as well as dealing with the problems and understanding them in a very practical way, that even though the employer does not feel there is any bounds, or there are any obstacles between the leader and the employer relationship, and they always try to give them an optimistic ray of hope or light which helps them eventually.
Okay. When should parents encourage their children?
Parents, in most of the children's life, parents do encourage them in their difficult situations. Let's just say they are not able to cope up with their academic skills, so they try to alleviate them with by solving their doubts, as well as giving them some pragmatic solutions of life, which may be even helpful to them in their later futures.
What kind of encouragement should parents give?
Parents should always try to teach their children to stay very optimistic in any kind of situation. Whether you're gonna lose or whether you're gonna win, you should be very calm, as well as very self-confident. Either if you lose, then you shouldn't be feeling that very much down in the dumps, and even if you win, you shouldn't be take that success directly to your mind, because it would eventually lead to overconfidence, and it would eventually throw you out of the league.
Okay. Do you think some people are better at persuading others?
Well, yes, because those people knows what sort of cards to be played around to the table when the game is being played on. So it would see the power of convincing of people, and it eventually helps to the salesperson who are actually in the sales industry for a long time. And it is also very proliferating that those kind of people has those traits that even people can rely on them, as well as they can believe whatever they are selling and they are saying.
Okay, Sneh. This is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you, sir.